Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Matt, this is Mark's Mods. Now today guys, because the Spitfire now has finished, well not finished, I'm still doing the diorama, but now the aircraft is built and complete, I'm today going to install the Partwork Upgrades power mod for the base of the Spitfire. I have done a separate video on what you get for the power mod from Partwork Upgrade, but I just thought I'd do this video just so you can see how it's installed, and you can get one of these for yourself. I put the link down in the description below, and if you use the code that's up on the screen right now, you can get 15% off your power mod. I do know at the moment there's a little bit of a backlog with them because obviously the model finishing and everything, but they really are superb little mods, these, and this is going to make so much of a difference with the battery life of the model. So let's head over to the building table and let's get modding. Okay, so here we are. I'm just going to move this camera up so you get a bit of a better view. Right, so here we are. We've got the base up as big as it is. Now you really need to think about where you're going to place your power mod upgrade. So here is the power mod. Now I'm thinking I'm going to put mine round about here-ish, because we've got a light on it to indicate that it's on. I'd like that maybe coming out near the switch, and then I'd like the power to more or less come out of the back of this, probably just there. So that's where I'm going to have mine put on. But what I'm going to do is I need to drill the holes first of all. Now I've got some drill bits. So we need a 6mm, and that's a 6. Now this is an 8mm, and I'm a little bit concerned about it being a bit too big, but if it is, we can hot glue this in place. So my drill does not sound great at all. Okay, so when you are drilling into plastic, it's always better to go from the side that your work that you want to display. That's because the plastic is going to heat up, and then it is going to, at the end, it's just not going to be very neat at the other end that you're drilling into. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to drill the holes that I need to drill in order to put on this power mod, and then we'll come back once them holes have been drilled. Okay, so I've drilled a hole here. I've also drilled a hole just off camera here. So what we're going to do the power mod first. Well, we're going to do the power side. So we get our cable, and we're just going to thread the cable through the hole that we've created. Okay, and then we came with a washer and a nut to tighten. I'm just trying to find the washer, because like me, I don't know what I put it on. Right, I don't know where that's gone. Because it does come with a washer. Oh. Is it underneath it? No. Oh well. Right, so we're going to thread this nut down the cable, and we're going to lock this in place. There is enough room where I've put the cable to lock it in place. Okay, that's quite tight, that now. Okay, so next is we need to put, when this is on my desk, it really is, I have to squeeze into a small space. Okay, just back in 2 secs, guys. Okay guys, sorry about that, it was a delivery. I didn't realise what the time was. Now, I found the washer that came with it. It's just behind me here. I did find the washer that came with it, but it's on now. So what I did forget to do though, if I just bring this across, is it does come with this wire cable on it. So I just want to put this back on to protect the cable, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this wire underneath all the other wires. Okay, so moving on next, I said I've got a hole here. So again, I'm going to take this bit off. Just wind it back. I will say though, this is not a clean job, as in mess wise. When you're filing and you're drilling, you get a lot of overspill. Okay, so I'll put that in there now, and I'm going to put the washer on this one. I mean, I did get some batteries for mine, and yeah, I did get some batteries for mine, but that was surely because I wasn't planning on getting some batteries. Because I was planning to straight away power it up with the power mod, but there was a bit of a glitch, but that's sorted now. There is no issues with this model. Right, okay, so that's on now. Right, so the next thing we need to do is we're going to place the box. Now, you can use normal sticky pads, but just to save on some time and money, these actually came with the Spitfire. That it was to fit this battery box and these connectors in. Now, I'm just going to use these. It must be okay for the base. Okay, now you can hot glue this into place if you wish, but I'm just doing it this way. Hot glue I love, but it can get messy. Okay, so here we go. Right, so what we need to do, place the box in place, just like that. Then I'm going to get the wire coming from the socket on the outside, and we're going to plug these together. Let me just come under that switch cable there. I'm going to plug all these together now. So making sure you get it the right way around, don't force it or anything like that. Right, that is a bit of a tough plug to get in. But I do believe it's in now. Yes, it is. So that's now in. Then we need this cable here. This is going to go on the outside for the LED. Now, the problem I've got with this is it doesn't go all the way in. But what you could do is you could hot glue that in place, no problem. I'm not going to do that now because obviously it's all in place. Right, so the next thing we need to do is we need this wire here. This is going to go into where the battery box went into. So that's nicely clicked in place. I'm not too bothered about the wires, but Partwork upgrades being Partwork upgrades, they did send some cable ties if you wanted to tidy your wiring up. I'm quite happy with my wiring. And then all it is we need to plug it in. So we'll get the plug. And show you it's switched on. So plugging it in now, and as you can tell, the light has come on here. Hang on, I can't see my view properly. 2 seconds. What's happened? So the light has come on here. If I turn this lamp off, you might be able to see it a bit better. So you can see the light has come on there, which means that the power mod is ready to go, and we'll show it working. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video of the aircraft flying, but the video I'm going to be doing is going to be one with the batteries and one with the power mod as well. So yeah, it's looking really nice. Now this is now going to basically go downstairs to display on a stand that we've got. And yeah, I'm really impressed with it. Very nice. I suppose we could switch Spitfire on like that. But yeah, really good. So thank you to Ian and everybody who works over at partworkupgrades.com, because this is a lifesaver. Because this is, you think about it, these batteries, you're going to be spending what, between £10 and £20 on batteries. So this thing within a few goes will have paid for itself, really. So I'm really pleased with it. I'm really pleased what Ian sent to me. I am going to end the video here though, because no point doing the thing over there. But please head over to Partwork Upgrades. They also do the blueprints for the Spitfire, which is here, which mine will be displayed with it. You can get one of these as well over there. And yeah, really nice. Really enjoying this. So that is partworkupgrades.com power mod completed. Please check out partworkupgrades.com, where you will find even more mods and fixes for your models, where you can fix the wobble on the knee tendon fix. There is an array of dust covers, an array of sound cards and other bits and pieces to help you along your way. So check out partworkupgrades.com and start modding today.